Hey GlamFam, welcome back besties to another tutorial. We are going to be doing knotless boho goddess hairstyle using body wave. So as usual, we are going to try to achieve clean parts, and then we're going to be braiding with the expression hair 48 inches. And then because of the body wave, to get the body wave or the hairstyle rather to be full, I had to put like 6 pieces on each of the braids. So if you are here watching, please remember to hit that subscribe button. And if you like the content, go ahead and give us a thumbs up, leave us a comment below of your thoughts. It really does help the channel. So you know how the weft has like a second short piece of layered hair? That you'll probably need to get rid of that as you try to braid the body wave in. So that was what I was combing out earlier. So because the hair was cut from the weft, I had like blunt ends ever so often in between. I had to be trimming the hair to get rid of any bits and pieces that were sticking out. I'm just going to let you guys watch the video. If you're visual, then hopefully you learned something. If you did, remember to subscribe.
Thank you for watching this video. Remember to like, comment, share, subscribe.